Hello, my friend. Let me ask you something personal. Have you ever walked into a room and suddenly forgotten why you were there? Or maybe you've struggled to remember a name, a word, or even what you were just about to say. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone, and no, it's not just old age. As we get older, our brain becomes more sensitive to what we feed it, literally. You see, many of us are unknowingly eating foods every single day that slowly chip away at our brain health. And while it doesn't happen overnight, over time, these little choices add up. So today, as someone who truly cares about your well-being, I want to walk you through 10 everyday foods that may be quietly damaging your brain, and what you can do about it. Let's dive in one by one. Brain 1. Sugary drinks, soda, fruit juices, energy drinks. We've all heard sugar isn't great for us, but when it comes to brain health, sugary drinks are especially harmful. They cause a spike in blood sugar, leading to inflammation and insulin resistance, both of which are linked to memory problems and even a higher risk of dementia. Better option. Switch to water with a slice of lemon or unsweetened herbal teas. Your brain will thank you. Brain 2. Processed meats, bacon, sausages, deli meats. I get it, bacon smells amazing. But processed meats are filled with nitrates and preservatives that have been linked to cognitive decline. Over time, they may harm your brain's ability to send signals properly. Try instead grilled chicken, turkey, or even plant-based alternatives without preservatives. Brain 3. White bread and refined carbs. Refined carbohydrates like white bread, pastries, and some breakfast cereals break down quickly into sugar. That sugar rush doesn't just impact your waistline, it hits your brain too. It can lead to brain fog, mood swings, and memory issues, especially in older adults. Simple fix? Choose whole grains. Oats, brown rice, and whole grain bread help keep your blood sugar stable, and your mind sharp. Brain 4. Fried foods. I know fried foods are comforting, and yes, they taste great. But they're full of trans fats and harmful compounds that are toxic to brain cells. Studies have shown a strong connection between high consumption of fried foods and poorer cognitive performance. Instead, go for baked, grilled, or air-fried options. Season them well and you won't miss the deep fryer. Brain 5. Artificial sweeteners, especially aspartame. Trying to avoid sugar? That's good. But reaching for artificial sweeteners like aspartame may not be the solution. Aspartame has been linked to anxiety, headaches, and, in some cases, memory loss. Better choice? Natural sweeteners like stevia, monk fruit, or simply reducing sweetness over time. Brain 6. Alcohol, especially in excess. A glass of wine now and then may have some benefits, but regular or heavy alcohol consumption can shrink the brain over time, especially the parts responsible for memory and decision-making. Try this. Limit your intake, stay hydrated, and enjoy alcohol-free days. Your brain will stay clearer and sharper longer. Brain 7. Fast food, burgers, fries, milkshakes. Fast food is convenient, I know. But it's often loaded with unhealthy fats, sugars, and additives. All of these combined can damage the blood-brain barrier, the shield that protects your brain from toxins. Over time, too much fast food is linked to slower thinking and a higher risk of Alzheimer's. Healthier swap? Prepare simple meals at home. Even once or twice a week makes a big difference. Brain 8. Margarine and processed spreads. Many margarines are high in trans fats, a known enemy of brain health. These fats increase inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which accelerate cognitive aging. Use instead extra virgin olive oil or avocado as your go-to healthy fats. Brain 9. Microwave popcorn, the bagged kind. It's not the corn itself, it's the chemical coating in those microwave popcorn bags. Some contain diacetyl, a chemical linked to beta amyloid buildup in the brain, the same protein that accumulates in Alzheimer's disease. Tip: make your own popcorn using kernels and a bit of olive oil. It's easy, cheap, and way healthier. Brain 10. Foods high in MSG, monosodium glutamate. MSG is a flavor enhancer found in many packaged snacks, frozen dinners, and even soups. For some people, it may trigger headaches or affect mood. Long-term, MSG may overstimulate brain cells, which can lead to exhaustion and poor memory. Watch out for ingredients like hydrolyzed protein or natural flavor, which often hide MSG. So there you have it, 10 common foods that many of us eat every day without realizing the potential harm they're doing to our brains. Now, I don't say this to scare you. I say this because I care. A sharp, healthy mind is one of the greatest gifts we can protect as we age. And sometimes it starts with small, simple changes, like swapping sugary drinks for tea, or choosing whole grains instead of white bread. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about awareness and making better choices little by little. If you found this helpful, share it with someone you care about. Let's grow wiser, healthier, and stronger together. Thank you for listening, and until next time, take good care of yourself. Your brain is worth it,